Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Rayan, the tech wizard, and we've got ourselves a very special unboxing today. We're going to be unboxing the Ogawa My Sofa massage chair that was being sold for cheap and on sale. So we thought we unbox things, why don't we unbox something on a grander scale? What do you think, Ran? Should we unbox this thing?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to unbox it. We're probably gonna have to do it off camera. I'll cut open the box or something. Alright, so let's just do a little cut from here. Okay. Alright, so we got the packing up, material up. Let's pull this box off. Okay, that's getting a little tricky. What's coming inside the box? There's a headphone adapter, I guess. What's the other thing? Is that a silicone gel? Just throw that away. We don't need that. Yeah, so what's the other thing? Is that a manual or something? Yeah. I guess we should take off the packing and give the chair a try. So, manual, huh? Yeah, probably warranty information and all that.
Yeah, it's Japanese.
Yeah, I think it's in Chinese though. But yeah, it's in a different language. That's what you get for buying something else real cheap or something. So you can go ahead and take out the plastic. I know you're eager to do that. You're still struggling, huh? Well, I guess the only thing left now is to give it a try. Why don't you take a seat on this thing? Tell me how it feels. Anything happening?
Yeah.
So, what's it feel like?
It feels like it's moving.
It feels like it's moving, huh? So it means it's actually doing its job because it's vibrating or something.
It's not moving.
It's not moving?
It's not working.
So, do the buttons do anything? Are you going up or down? I think you have to press the other button that's on the side over there. Yeah, maybe. Try it. Anything happening? So, is it moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
How does the seat feel? How does the chair feel?
The chair feels good.
Is it comfortable? So, is it doing its job?
Yep.
Yeah, you're lifting. You're going backwards. I think you're supposed to lean back into the chair.
Yeah.
So is anything happening? Do you feel anything?
Yeah.
Is it shaking or something? It's a lean back massage thing. Do you feel anything? Does it?
It's working.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Let's give that speaker a test, shall we? Why don't you hit the play button and let's see if.
Which song?
So just hit the play button. We'll give it a try. You hear the speaker sound? It sounds okay. Yeah, does it sound okay? Sound alright? You think it would be relaxing to listen to some beats while you chill in the chair? Would you play the Nintendo Switch while we're sitting on the seat?
Why are you doing that?
So what would you say? Is this a fun thing to sit on, or?
Yeah.
So you think the Ogawa My Sofa is a good thing?
Yep.
It's a good product?
Yep.
So would you, with your technical knowledge, would you give this a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Alright, so if you guys like these videos, please make sure to leave a comment or hit the like button and probably the subscription. You know, these kind of things help out. So while Rayan keeps testing out his newfound plaything, we'll make sure to make more videos.